We press the green button once when we turn on the machine. This is the feeding place. This is the vibrator for discharging. This is the slide. Wait for the screen to turn on. This interface is for self-checking. Ignore the abnormal prompts here because we only have slot 1 to use, as long as the front and rear cameras display normally. Then click to enter the system. After entering the user interface, click the feeder to set the feeding speed. After the settings are completed, just click the working stop button in the upper right corner. After adjusting the feeding speed you want, you don't need to set it again when you really start mass production. The vibrator has started working. The faster the vibration, the faster the material is unloaded. Correct shutdown steps. 1. Stop the feeder, and the machine will display stop feeding. 2. System shutdown. The machine will display saving parameters, shutting down the system. 3. Press the red button to turn off the power. The above is the complete power on and off process. We use this ABS material to demonstrate the complete operation process of a color sorter. There are black, green, pink, gray, and other waste materials in the raw materials. This is the accepted finished material. Now let's take pictures of these two materials. First, boot up and enter the user interface. Select level and enter the password 0 for tonight. Click Set Function. Select and click Intelligent A. Here is the interface for taking photos for intelligent material analysis. There is a small settings icon here. Here you can set the mode of the photo algorithm. Now start taking pictures. Click Capture. Confirm. Then throw the waste into the chute, and it will start taking pictures and analyzing it. Okay, the photos of the waste have been taken. Click Return. What we have in our hands is good material. Click Capture. Confirm. And then put the good material into the chute, and it will start taking pictures and analyzing it. Then click on Material 1 under the bad material picture to change it to Material 1 Bad O. Then click on Material 2 under the good material picture to change it to Material to Good O. 1 is bad material, 2 is good material. Then click AutoCal. Then click Confirm. After the analysis is complete, click Front to change to Back, and click AutoCal again. After the intelligent analysis is completed, we click on the bad material picture. And then click the simulation button at the top to mark the bad material. Then go back, click on the good material picture, and then click the simulation button. You can see that there is still a little mark on it. We click the Start Purity button, and the pink mark disappears. It is completely good material. After the analysis, click Set Sense. We usually set the values of scale and purity to 10. We set the speed of feeder 1 to 70% and feeder 2 to 90%. Feeder 1 is the vibrator above. Feeder 2 is the outlet vibrator for good materials. Click the working stop button and the machine will start working. Click OK. we can see that there is still yellow on the bad material because there is still color on the other side.